Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to save contacts in Android. If you're using any Android and now you want to save contacts, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your phone call app and here just go for contacts and then you will get plus icon here, just tap on it and here you must have to select the place on which you want to save your contact. Here's your phone, SIM 1 or 2, here's the Google accounts. I'm going to select phone from here and here you must have to enter the name. Let's say I'm going to enter this one as I have entered like that. You must have to enter your contactor name. When you have that, here just tap on phone and here you must have to enter a phone number. Once you have entered, you must have to tap on email or you can enter email address here. Then here are some more details. You can easily add them. Here you must have to enter a number. Let's say I'm going to enter this one. Just tap on save option and here you can see there the number or contact has been saved. So in this way you can easily save any contact on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.